Hey folks, Peter Crump from Bob Pedler Real Estate. I'm out here at 257 Road 10, truly my element out this place. Beautiful hobby farm here. Place for you to get cattle, sheep, goats, chickens. Large 35 by 102 livestock barn, German style, with hay mow, perfect for putting your animals in. 40 by 60 workshop, cement floor, car hoist. You want to work on some machinery or actually work on your car, bring it in there. 4-bedroom farmhouse and plus 2 other buildings. There's a 3-car garage, cement block, and another machinery shed. Give me a call at 519-919-3506 if you want to take a private showing of this, or come out this Sunday for the open house, 1 till 3.